Factoring equation, complex case. A factoring equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, is factored into ax plus b and cx plus d. And so, this determining a, b, c, d is the job here. Now in the homework, math class homework, they pick small number for a, b, c, so you can kind of guess and try and error, you can find it. The problem is when a, b, c get a little bit larger, then simple guess cannot determine it. If the number is large, then we have to do a systematic way to determine the A, B, C, D. Now, this A is a multiplication of AC. When we factor it into a prime number, then some prime number goes here and some prime number goes here. And C the same way. We factor the capital C to the prime number, then some goes here and some goes here. Okay. Then we have to make it so that the value match up with the B. There's so many combinations when number is larger for A, B, C. It's come to the point that maybe it's easier to use a quadratic equation, but going through square root and division, you get the decimal number. And decimal number, you have to guess A, B, C, D from there. It seems to be the long process too. So what is the best way? Well, we have to utilize all the information available to make this selection process easier. Now, one of them is to look at the B. If B is odd, that means AD and BC, one of them odd, one of them is even. If B is even, that means AD is even and BC is even. Or AD is odd and BC is odd. Okay? When AD is even, that means some of this factor must contain even. And remember, the prime number, even number is only 2. So this contains 2. And D must contain 2. So to make it even, both need to have an even number in the prime number set for A and D. And the BC is the same way. So those information can be used. This is additional information we can use too, but let's see how far we can go with this information. Okay, let's do some example. This is relatively small, not that big. 6 is broken into 1, 2, 3. 20 is factored into 1, 2, 2, 5. Now B is even, right? Okay. So possible combination for B even is A and D. A has to be contain even. C need to contain. If A contain even, then C remaining is 3. But the B should be even number here, otherwise it's not going to be even. So 2x to 3x is determined. Now C is, capital C is B times D minus 20. So we have only few selections. We try them out, we can get this. Okay, that's relatively easy to do. Now we have a little bit bigger number, 12 broken into 1, 2, 2, 3, 105. Look at that, it's all odd number. So remember A is AC and C is BD. So this is A, C, and B and D. We have to allocate number. So B is even. So A can have 2 and C need to have the even number, but 3 has to go either side, so it's going to be 6. So we determine the header number. So C is 1 of 5. So B times D is either this doesn't have much. It's all odd number times odd number. We kind of need to guess here. There's not much help here. We come up with 715 by trial and error. Okay. Last one, 15 is broken into 135. 180 is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5. And B is even again. Okay. So in order to get the even, again, this capital A is A or C. And we have to break this C into B or D, right? So in order to be even, this is all odd number, so we have to get even number from here. So this must be a, we need to have a 2, and B and C, well, C is all odd number, so we need to have another 2 here for sure, right? Okay. But for the header number, there's not much information about header number, so we have to check 2 cases. So C, capital C, is B times D, so need to have a 2, and the remaining is divided into the group. What we do is we divide this B by 3. 148 not divisible by 3 anymore. That means 3 is included in each side, so we need to have 1 3 each side. So that's gonna help, right? So for sure one side is 6 and the other side is 6, and 5 has to be one side, so 30. So we got the information on this side, not much on the header number, but we got the information on this side. This has to be 30 and 6, so this will work out well. Okay, so divide by 3 is going to kind of give information about 3 has to be on the both side. Okay, so utilize any kind of information to determine how we group C and A into A, C, and BD. That's the tips of doing this kind of factorization. Okay, please check other videos. Thank you for listening.